Good evening everyone. Today I give the demo of hydrothermal autoclave, how to use and how different from other autoclave in this price, and also mention some important points regarding this autoclave, sir. First, this is no welding parts, all are solid SS, high graded SS sir, or solid SS, then grind it, then manufacturing it. Some vendors are provide just purchase pipe and welding base. Just price double matter if you grind it and solid SS and manufacturing it, sir. But someone just base building and pipe, but we purchase solid SS and then grind it, then manufacturing it for more safety and more safety. So we provide 5-year warranty of SS container and 1-year warranty of PTTF imported Teflon Taiwan made container. This is also solid, sir. Then grind it, then manufacturing it. The maximum temperature is 260. Mostly suppliers use Chinese beaker. The temperature is only 200 to 40, but we use virgin imported PTEF Teflon. So we provide 260 temperature. Tested from all major IIT, NPA and leading private research institute. We also share user list with contact number. Just you ask any professor, doctors regarding this hydrothermal autoclave performance, sir. We provide, sir, triple locking system. We see it, sir. First, only many supplier and manufacturer provide only 2 locking system, a single locking system, but we provide triple locking system. Just I see it, sir. First you put, as also demo how to use, sir. First you put sample 50% every time. If you purchase 100 ml autoclave, you make sample 50%, around 50 ml. But because of imported Teflon, use 60%, 65%. You make sample 60 ml, 65 ml. If you purchase 50 ml, you make sample around 30 ml in our autoclave. If you purchase 200 ml, you make 120, 130 ml. So this is container, sir. If you don't dismantle it like this, sir, the base is also equal. If you dismantle it, don't put like this. Some students are put like this. Like this. Don't it. This is okay, sir. Base is always equal. If you don't dismantle it, this is same setup. Put 60%, 50% sample like this. Then put fine SS part. Then cut cap is up, sir. This is cut cap. This is up. And then first locking by thread type. Many supplier only thread type setup. No any extra provision. This is okay. But more temperature and more pressure, we provide triple locking system. Second locking by, sir, MS shuttering plate. We provide plate if with every order, with every supply, sir. You just tight it in wooden table, wooden chair, sir. Just fix it like this. Two grip on base side, sir, and tight it by this key like this, sir. You just fix here, tight 4-5 mm only. This is okay, sir. Only 4-5 mm. This is second locking. This is very more pressure. Only 3 bar pressure provide around this price. All manufacturer supplier, but we provide 5 MPa, more than 5, sir. Because of their heaviness and hardness. All valve we use are more than 6 mm, 7 mm SS valves, Teflon valves. This is second locking. Triple locking, now we provide extra provisions, sir. We screw type Allen bolt, SS bolt, sir. No chance to threading damage. So we provide 5-year warranty of also, because no any welding materials. This is tied by hand equally. Like this, sir. So we provide, sir, warranty against manufacturing defect. And we are manufacturer, so we provide less price and more specification, sir. The most important point is, sir, we suggest always use in oven, sir, because of oven temperature is uniform, oven inside air circulating fan, slow heating, slow cooling rates in this oven, 5-degree rate of heating, 6-degree rate of heating, rate of cooling. But in furnace no any circulating fan, no uniform temperature in this furnace. Also furnace temperature is around 1100, 900, oven temperature is around 300. So we always suggest in oven for better sampling, sir, and better results, sir. Thank you for watching, sir. Thank you.